So this is how to buy Tezos crypto in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up Robinhood, go down to the bottom bar in the middle and select on the search icon. Then at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just start typing in Tezos or ticker symbol XTZ and then select it. And then at the bottom, press buy. Once you're on this page right here in the top right where it says market order, you can select that and then choose your order type. I will just choose market order in Canadian dollars for this example. Then below where there's the numbers, you can type in the amount that you want to purchase. So for example, if you wanted to buy $2.50 worth, you can type in that and then just press review. Then on this page, you can review the order, so you can check out how much Tezos you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if all looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and just swipe up to submit the order. So that is how to buy Tezos crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.